Python coding with Maqueen. Can we get the code to follow all the tracks? So put the original code in as it is and test to make sure it works. There are 4 tracks. Start with the easy track, track 1. Then adjust the speeds. So we're talking about the number at the end of the code with the speed, 50, change it up, change it down, see how it runs on the tracks. Once you've got an idea of that, then we're going to change how sharp it turns. So I've highlighted a bit of code here with the pink crosses on it. Take the code here and change it so instead of stopping the stop motor, you're making the motor that stops go backwards slowly. So that should make the turning sharp, and it hopefully will make it around the tracks. Once you've done that, have a look at the track. Here's a hard track, the medium track, an easy track with an intersection, and the simple track. Try all of the tracks and take a note on each position how it works. Here we can see simply run an easy track, but it can't do the hard track.